This is the Squishmallows original 12-inch Arella brown owl with the cute graduation cap. It is ridiculously soft. It instantly feels like a keepsake, not just another stuffed animal. Ultra soft, squishy feel that actually makes you just want to keep hugging it. I'm going to be hugging it after I give it to my graduate because she's going to be going on her way. So sad, but perfect size for displaying or cuddling or putting on their bed without being too bulky. The cute graduation theme makes it feel thoughtful instead of last minute. Great gift for any age. Works for the littles or even the teens who still love cozy things like mine. Holds up well like all Squishmallows with regular use. Easy, easy win gift. If you want something cute, but still meaningful for graduation. So cute. This is the Squishmallows original 12-inch Arella brown owl.